Hi, this is Stuart Caldwell with MarineMax in Beaufort, Georgia. Today I want to walk you through the 130 Super Sport Boston Whaler. This particular boat comes with a 40 horsepower motor, Mercury. It also has the light blue trim on the hull of the boat. Grab rails throughout this particular boat, as well as a helm with the RPM status. You've got your throttle control, small gas tank. Perfect boat to get out and do a little fishing. So come by and see us. Again, MarineMax in Beaufort, Georgia at 5800 Lanier Islands Parkway. Ask for Stuart.